Hello, my friend. I'm Mary Howard with Powerline Health, and I'm here with my friend
Jaynie Howland.
Okay, so good to have you here. And today we wanted to talk about the children and what natural solutions will help the kids the most. And so, Jaynie, what do you like to use with your grandchildren?
Well, I like to use several different things with fevers and stuff, peppermint oil. But with my autistic grandson, it just depends on what's going on with him. When he's in a bad mood or something like that, we use a mixture of frankincense, spruce and cinnamon, blue tansy, hoe wood, and vetiver.
Okay,
That really helps his moods and everything.
that's a lot of woods, isn't there? Spruces and hoe wood, those are all from trees, aren't they?
Yes.
It's kind of neat, interesting.
Mhm.
Okay.
When he has a hard time with his communication skills and he's stuttering and everything, we use frankincense and lavender.
Oh, that's a simple mix
Mhm.
and powerful too.
It's a great mix.
And then, so you put that in a roller ball, like a 10 ml roller ball?
Yes, 5 drops of each, and we top it off with fractionated coconut oil.
Sweet.
Yep.
Can't get much easier than that.
Very easy. When he has a hard time focusing, which is also good for studying, for those of you who have children who are at that age, we use frankincense, peppermint, and wild orange.
Oh, good. Yeah, I've noticed that peppermint and wild orange, you would think that they would be energizing oils, but wild orange especially seems really good for focus.
Mhm.
And then frankincense is a calming oil, along with a lot of other things, but has a lot of good calming benefits, so that's an amazing mix.
Yeah, and speaking of calming, at the end of the day, with his autism, he seems to get geared up a lot. So at the end of the day, when it is time to calm down, we use copaiba and vetiver.
Okay.
And that's his pre-bedtime ritual.
So is that in a diffuser or a roller ball?
Note, these are all roller balls.
Those are roller balls. So does he go get them when he needs them himself?
Well, we started out using them when we saw he needed them, but we've used them long enough and we've color-coded them that he is now 4, and when he starts to stem or he starts to feel in a kind of downer or upset mood, he'll come to us and tell us, I need this roller ball or that roller ball by color.
Oh,
and we'll ask him why, and he'll explain to us or tell us why.
Oh, that is so neat. To have a child that is actually learning what he needs, and it's right there in nature. That is so cool.
Yes, and then like we've mentioned vetiver a couple times. Vetiver is also wonderful for Tourette's. We have a very good friend whose son has Tourette's, and he is over 8 months without any tics from his Tourette's. And they use it on him daily.
Wow. And Tourette's, it can be such a, what age is he?
8.
8 years old. So it's not that far from getting to that age where he's so self-conscious of what other people think of him around him. And so being able to manage that with something simple and natural is.
Nowadays they feel that way very, very young, even before the age of 8.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, if these solutions have been something you'd like to learn more about, we'll put some links in the description below. And I'm Mary with Powerline Health, and this is Jaynie with
R&J Howland Services.
Okay. And like and comment, and we look forward to helping you in your day.
And if there's any other videos you'd like to have us talk about, let us know.
That would be great.